Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me go. Again.
Okay, here she comes.
No, that's Maya. It was Michelle before.
I can't let you go until she's out of the way. She's pretty agile.
Oh, you should see Michelle.
Okay, here you go, 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 go!
Whee!
Again.
Go, Bobo!
And me. And me.
Go, go, go! Ready, Bobs? Let go. Bucky, we're taking turns, guys.
The girls got their horns disbutted today. That's why they look so silly.
I told you not to push me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I won't push you the next time.
Wipe out!
She's getting mad.
She is. I should be able to make it up this, she says.
Oh, Brocky's gonna try and climb it. Let's see this. This will be interesting. You go. Here, I'll show you. If you grab underneath here, when you're climbing up, grab underneath there. It'll help you climb up. There you go.
Go,
You got
go,
it.
go!
Get him, Bolo! Woo! Don't go yet. You can't go when they're in the way. Oh, Bobo's gonna try and climb. This'll be interesting. Bobo says, "Get out of my way, goat." Oh, get off of him. Okay. She's gonna try again. Okay, go, go, go. Oh, you go.